Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lily. I am a licensed Texas-based makeup artist, and today I'm bringing you guys this Valentine's Day look. I incorporated a couple different aspects as far as different heart shapes and methods go, so if you want to see how I made this look come alive, keep on watching. These are some new products that I'm going to be trying today: the Inglot N77, the RCMA Cream Blush, and the Ben Nye Final Seal. I'm going to start today by hydrating and priming my skin using this NYX Hydra Touch Oil Primer. To fill in my eyebrows today, I'm using the Miss A eyebrow pencil in medium brown. I just quickly brushed some powder through them to make sure that the oil wasn't going to stop the product and define the shape of my brow. Using the e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer in Light Ivory, I'm going to go ahead and define the top and bottom of the brow and set the eyelid to prepare it for the eyeshadow. Using a fluffy brush, blend everything into the skin. To secure the brow hairs in place, today I'm using this Kaida Brow. I got it off Amazon. It is a brow soap, so I just go ahead and wet my spoolie, dip it in there, and secure the hairs in place. Always set your wet base to prepare for the eyeshadow. To color correct any redness that I have on my face, I'm using this Miss A in green. To color correct some of that purpley green under my eyes, I'm going to use the same Miss A concealer in an orangey deeper shade. For eyeshadow, I will be using this ColourPop Fade into Hue palette and just starting off with this nice pink shade in the crease. Go ahead and slowly build it up and blend it out. Using the light pink shimmery shade from that same palette, I'm going to go ahead and highlight under my brow bone and in the inner corner. Now using a deeper red pink, go ahead and darken and define the outer corner and blend it out into the crease. With a Q-tip and some Garnier micellar water, I am going to go ahead and create the heart shape by removing product on the inner portion of my eye. With that same concealer on a detailed brush, I'm going to redefine the heart shape. Set the concealer base, and then I'm going to go in with a NYX Vivid Bright Liner in purple to define the heart. The shape of my heart wasn't totally even on both sides, but it is what it is. So I'm just going to go ahead and add that same shimmery pink shade on top and move on. Now using the pink NYX Vivid Bright Liner, I'm going to go ahead and draw little heart shapes all over the deep red. Smoke out the lower lash line with the same pinky shade. For eyeliner today, I just got this brand new Inglot Duraline in number 77. I actually put some product back that was a little bit too much, but this is supposed to be a really good pro eyeliner. I think it was like $20, but it's my first time using it. If you guys know anything about me and how I do my makeup, I usually like to use like an eyeliner pen, I guess, like a felt tip, but I love the way that this eyeliner looks. I love how you can smudge it. I love that it's like kind of matte, kind of not, so I went ahead and ordered some, and I know it's great for bridal, and I actually really like the way that it turned out. Once the wings were what I wanted them to be, I went ahead and did my mascara using the Maybelline Lash Sensational and just popped some on in order to blend the false lashes. Today I'm using the Miss A glue in clear and just a cheap pair of lashes, letting them get tacky and dry, and then popping them on with a pair of tweezers, squeezing the false and my real lashes together to create a seamless blend. With that same concealer, I'm going to go ahead and conceal my T-zone and any red spots due to acne scars or whatever it may be. I like to blend this in with kind of a small fluffy brush just so I can make sure that the product stays concentrated where I want it to be and doesn't just spread out and thin all over the face. Yes, it takes much longer to do it this way, but I feel like it delivers a better result. Now using the same Miss A concealer shade that I used to color correct under my eyes, I'm using it as a cream contour. Blend it all in with the contour fluffy brush. I felt like the e.l.f. concealer wasn't bright enough for me, so I went ahead and lightened it up a little bit using a Miss A concealer and just doing a nice little highlight effect. Trying out this new RCMA cream blush, I'm going to go ahead and mix a couple of these light pinky shades together and use them for my blush. You can see I barely took any product and I didn't even use as much as I scooped, so a little bit really does go a long way with these pro products. I like to go back and forth between just a general setting brush, my contour slash bronzer brush, and my blush brush to make sure that everything is blending seamlessly. I am now going to set with my RCMA loose powder. Make sure to get anywhere where I put a lot of concealer, so especially under the eyes, on the cheeks, and on the forehead. Now using the e.l.f. Sun-Kissed Bronzer, I'm going to really warm everything up. Contour down the nose. I added a little more of this e.l.f. blush just to make sure that I was super pink in the cheeks, given that I was about to add red lipstick. I quickly popped this NYX white liner in my waterline to really brighten and open up my eyes against all that pink color. And then I went ahead and did my bottom mascara with the same Maybelline mascara as before. Testing out this Ben Nye Final Seal, it is supposedly a holy grail for a lot of makeup artists, and it honestly looks and smells like Listerine, but I feel like it did the job pretty well. It coated my face nicely and evenly, and everything stayed on looking perfect for the remainder of the day. I'm now going to go back in with this deep Miss A purple eyeliner and draw these two little hearts underneath my eye, right under where my pupil is. Lining my lips with this red, I will be doing a glossy red lip to finish up the look. I like to conceal usually around the bottom and side of the lip just to make sure that they are 100% crisp. To gloss it up, I will be using a super cheap Miss A mint gloss on a brush. And just for a random final touch, I'm going to go back in with that pink Vivid Brights liner and do a little heart on the shape of my eyebrow. This is the final look. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to leave a like, comment, subscribe, check on my Instagram, and I'll see you in the next one.